Hey everyone, this is Uday. It's great to see you here again. I hope you and your family members are good. So let's talk about the video. In this video, we are going to do another data analysis project which is based on Microsoft Excel. It means we will be using Microsoft Excel. So the data set which we will be using is collection of Indian IMDb movies released in previous 6 to 7 decades. So it's a huge data set. Before starting the project, first I am going to explain you three main parts of the video, that is data importing from PC, then second one is data cleaning, and the third one is data mining or data analysis. Okay, so let's start the video. The first one is we have to import the data set into our Microsoft Excel. So for that we need to open the Microsoft Excel first. Okay, so as you can see, Microsoft Excel is open here. Either we can import the data from opening a new file. Okay, opening a new file from our PC, or we can directly import the data after creating a blank workbook. Okay, so I think opening a new data set from your PC is little bit easy. We will select open, then browse, and then the path where you have stored where you have downloaded your data set. So I have put my data set on desktop. I will go to desktop and then I will search for the my Excel dataset. So here I am not seeing my dataset because of that dataset is in CSV file. That is a CSV file. So for that I need to do this here. I need to select all files, then after I can see all the files. So all the files on my desktop. Here you can see IMDb movies India. So this is the dataset which we will be using. After clicking here, I need to select open. As soon as I select open, it will be opened in Excel worksheet. So this is the first method by which we can import the data set. The second one is go to home, then select blank workbook. Okay, so one blank worksheet will be opened here. After that, what we have to do, we have to go into data from the ribbon. So I selected data. After that I need to select on from text, as CSV is a text file. So I selected from text. So here I can see the path from where I can import my data set. So it's already selected PC, local disk, then desktop. I select IMDb movies India, which is my data set, then import. Click on import. As soon as I clicked on import, it's showing choose the file path that best describes your data. First one is delimited, the second one is fixed width. So delimited means characters such as commas or tabs separated each field. So CSV file, that is separated by comma. So I will be selected delimited. Start import at row 1. Yes, I will import from the starting rows of my worksheet. So it will be selected 1 here. My data has headers. I will check it because my data has headers. So header is name, year, duration, genre, rating, votes. These are my headers. So I will check on header. Then I will click on next. So as soon as I select next, it will pop up here to select what is your delimiters. So delimiter is I think delimiter is comma, so I will select comma and I will deselect the tab. So it will not change anything, you can select tab, but as I said it is a CSV file, so I will select only comma. Then I will click here you can see the data preview, that what your data will look like in actual worksheet. So it's a preview of our data. So I will, after that I will click next. Then column date format, it's asking me to select the column date format. So what will be column data format? The first one is name, the name of the movie, so it will be general. And the second one is year, so year it will be a what, it will be a number, so it will be a number. I will select date, so I will select date or general only, there is no difference because it's only year here, not like the actual date, the date and the month, it's not given here, it's only year like 2020, 2021, 1998, 1997. So these, so it will not affect our data. As the duration also I can say it's general, everything I can put it in general, so nothing will change after putting in general or anything else. So yeah, after that I will click finish, and here you have to select OK, and then our data will be imported. So this was how we can import the data from our PC, from our desktop. So this was the data importing part. Okay, so the second part is data cleaning. So in the data cleaning, what we have to do, we have to remove all the cells, all the rows which are having some blank cells, or the which are having duplicates. So we have to remove duplicates data, duplicate entries, and the cells, the rows which are having blank cells. So for that, what we have to do, first I need I will remove the duplicates. So to remove the duplicates, I need to select the total worksheet. To select the total worksheet, I need to press the Control A, and then Control A. Then I need to go in the data data section in the ribbon. Then I need to go remove duplicates. So remove duplicates means all the rows which are having some duplicate value. So I need to select all the column में B C D E F I J, so G H I J. So all the row, I said my data has header, so I will click here, I will check here, so the header part will be deselected. So after that I will click OK. It is showing no duplicate value found, so maybe it's not having any duplicate value. But if you are trying to do the same, then please click on remove duplicate once before doing the data cleaning. It's really safe to do the remove duplicate before doing the data cleaning. So I will click on OK. Then after I will select all the rows, all the cells which are blank. So to check the blank cells, what I will do, I will go to the home, in the ribbon, then I will go to the find and select, then I will click on go to special here, this go to special, then go to special, and then I will select blanks here. This you can see blanks. After selecting blanks, I will click on OK. So it will take some time because the data set is very huge, so it may take much time as it depends on the specifications of your computer, of your laptop, of your PC. So it selected all the cells which are blank. So as you can see, this is not selected. I think I have to do Control A first, then I have to select this. So for selecting all the blank row, first I need to do Control A, then find and select, then go to special, then click on blanks, then click OK. So after clicking OK, it will take some time, then it will show me all the blank cells. So this is not selected again. I think it is selected, but it's not showing because I had selected my I had put my cursor here only before selecting the before going to go to special. So this was the reason why it is not showing selected, but leave it. I will delete all these rows which are having some blanks. So I will click on any selected cell, then I will click on delete, then here it will show, it is showing that delete entire row, delete column, shift cells up, shift cells left. So I will click on delete entire row, click OK. It is showing the operation you are about to perform affect a large number of cells and may take a significant amount of time to complete. Are you sure you want to continue? I will click on OK. So it will take some time. The data set is huge, and now you can see every data, every cell which were having some blank are deleted now. So to check if all the data, all the blank cells are deleted or not, I am going to tell you one shortcut, a fun method, which is select first, select A1 cell of your worksheet, then do control down. Okay, if your last cell of a column is selected, then it means no blank cells are there in that column. So this was the first method. This was the fun method of checking if that column is having any data cells if that column is having any blank cell or not. Then click on right. Okay, then do control up. If you are at the top of your data set, it means if you are at your header, then it means that column B is not having any blank cells. But here you can see I am not at the top of that column, means I am not at the header, so it means it is having some blank. So for that, what we need to do, again that is the same process. Find and select, then go to special, then click on blank, then click on OK. So it will again check all the blank cell, then do delete. It may be because the data set is huge and it is not selecting all the data. So what I can say, do again the same process. Click on the first cell of the column, and then do control down if you are at the bottom, then it means the column is not having any blank cell. So I selected I selected B1, then I did control down. I am at the top, I am at the bottom of the column, so it means it is not having any kind of blank cell. Then click on right, then do control up. If you are at the top, then it means the column C or column C is not having any blank cell. But it is you can see I am not at the top, so again I will select the data sheet, and I will go to I will select any cell of the that column. Then I will do control A, then I will go find and select, then go to cell, then blank, then click on OK. Okay, so as you can see there is some blank cell selected, and I will delete all those blank cells. So all those blank cells are deleted now. Now I will do control up. If I am at the top, then okay, then I will do right, then I will do control down. I am down, I am at lower down, so it's okay, it's great. Then I will do right, then I will do control up, then I am at the top of the column, then it means it is not having any kind of blank cell. And I will do again right, I will come at the vote header, then I will do control down. As you can see, it is the last row of our data set. It means in this F column, there is not any blank cell. So after that I will come at column G, and I will do control up. I am at the top, so it means it is not having any kind of blank cell. Then I will come at column H, then I will do control down. I am at the lower row of the column H, so it means it is not having any blank cell. The same process I will do with I and J. So as you can see, there are no blank cells left. So I can say that now the seat is not having any blank cell. So I think our data cleaning part is done. So one more thing I can do, in the year column, it is selected, it is one hyphen there before the year. So I can change it to only the year. So I will select the year column, then I will do control H. So then if I do control S, then the pop-up window will appear, and it will say then find what. Then I will select hyphen and replace with none. So replace with none, then I will not select anything here, I will not write anything here. Then I will select replace all. It's showing all done. We made 5,659 replacement. Then I will click on OK. So you can see now all the hyphens are gone from this column. So this was the data cleaning part of this project. So one more thing I can do, that this column is having some spaces in between. So for that I will select the column, and I will do this here. So all the movies are now in the right in the left part of the column. So same with column B, same with column C, same with column D, and same with column E, column. So every column, I think GH and I column are already right shifted. So I'm doing this for my fun. So I think data cleaning part is done now. Okay, so no issues. Okay, now we have come to our third part, which is data analysis. So I will keep it very minimalistic because I think video has been very lengthy now. So for that I have some set of questions which I will try to um, the answer of that question I will try to find out from the our data sheet. So the first question is, find number of movies produced in various year. So for that what we have to do, number of movies produced in various year. So for that first we will select and we will do control A, then we will go to insert, then we will go to pivot table and we will create a pivot table, and I will select the existing worksheet, and in the existing worksheet I will select sheet 2, then A1 cell, then click OK. Okay, so this is the pivot table. So in the pivot table what we have to show, we have to show the movies produced in various years. So I have to select year, then name of movies. So number of movies produced in various years. So I think the sum of the year should be on the row and name should be on the value. So this way we can get the number of movies produced in various years. So you can see 1931 there were two movies produced, and in the 2021 there are 63 movies produced. So this way we can see the movies produced in various years. So the second question is, draw a graph showing number of movies produced in various years. So it's simple now. We will just draw a pivot chart. We'll select one cells in the pivot table and then we'll go to pivot chart. It will automatically show some chart. So I think for this the column chart will be best. So I will select it and then I will put it here. So this is our first question. Second question, this one is first question, this one is second question. As you can see, there are increase in the produced movie as the evaluation has been done in the film industry. So I think first and second question has been done. The third question is, top 10 most voted movies and least voted movies. So top 10 most voted and top 10 least voted movies. For that we will go to this sheet 1 and we will go insert, then pivot chart, then existing worksheet, then sheet 2, then again we'll click this K2 cell, then we click OK, then again one pivot table will pop up here and it will ask the value to be filled. So we have to show the top 10 most voted movies. So for that we will select name, then votes. I think these two will be in the same, so these two are in the same section. So I think vote will be up, then name will be down. So top 10 most voted movies, I will have to do this largest to smallest. So top 10 means 1 2 3 4, right? You can see all the all the movies which are top voted. So Life of Pi is the movie which is most voted, then Three Idiot, then Lion, then Gandhi, then the Darjeeling Limited, and so on. You can see. And for the least voted, we just have to do this filter again, and we have to sort from smallest to largest. So for the least voted, like, these are the movies which are having least voted. So these are the movies are having 5 vote, then these are the movies having 6 vote and having 7. So lists of movies, so many movies are having less vote. The reason is because there were not much evolution in the film industry, or the were people were not using mobile phone. Now everyone can vote any movie from his phone only. So these things were not at that time. So this was the reason, I think. So I think third question is done. Fourth question is top 10 most rated top rated movies and least rated movies. So again, this is the same. uh, if I have to do in the same table, then what I will do, I will deselect the vote, and I will select rating here. So I will select rating here and deselect the vote. So as you can see, these are the movies which are least rated. Sadak 2 is the least rated movie, then Destrohi, then Mumbai Can Dance Sala, Welcome to New York. These are the least rated movies. 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. Okay, so these are the least rated movies, and the top rated movies. For top rated movie, we have to sort it from largest to smallest. Then you can see Love Kabul Hai is the most top rated movie, then Half Song, then June, Bhogo Rani, etc. So these are the top rated movies. I think question number 4 is also done. The question number 5th is, so all the movies directed by Rajkumar Hirani. So this is the question which I have to do. For that, what I have to do, I think for that, once again I have to make a pivot chart. Again and again I have to make pivot chart. If someone is already know how to make pivot chart, then he can do that thing while doing his exercise. But what I will do here, I will select this pivot chart only, and I will do every operation which are consisting, which are involving any making pivot chart. I think making pivot chart every time is not good thing. So I will select what is the question. So all the movies directed by Rajkumar Hirani. So name will be there. I think rating in the in spite of rating, there will be director. So director is here, and director is here. Then what we have to do, we have to first we have to do director and the upper side, and name in the lower side. So you can see in the inner there are movies, and the outer there are name of director. So we have to sort our outer using we have to sort our outer. So we will select one outer, then we will click on I think filter. For that, what we have to do, we have to go to here, then we have to select Rajkumar Hirani. Rajkumar Hirani, for Rajkumar Hirani, RAJKUM. Okay, so you can see Rajkumar Hirani is here. I will click on OK, then again I will click on OK. So you can see all the movies which are directed by Rajkumar Hirani are shown here. The movies are Three Idiots, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, MBBS, PK, Sanju. As you can see, all movies are hit, blockbusters. So this means Rajkumar Hirani is a good director. So I think question number 5th is done. Question number 6 is show different genre and number of movies for each of them. So again I will select the same pivot table and I will do what I will first I will delete this director field. I will remove this director field and select genre in spite of director. So it's shown in the question. So different genre and number of movies for each of them. So name will be in the values section. So as you can see, these are the genre level. So genre, and you can see action. The movies which are having only action are 170 movies, and 17 movies are having action and adventure both. One movie is having action, adventure, biography, and 37 movies are having action, adventure, comedy. So all these are the levels, and these are the count of all those movies. These are the movies. I think my favorite is science fiction movies. I will go to science fiction once and see how many science fiction movies are there. So I will deselect all. I will type SCI. So science fiction movies. So these are the science fiction movies. I will click on OK. Okay, so these are the there are 32 total 32 science fiction movies. So this is the additional question which I just now solved. Okay, so leave it. The next question is find best movie for every decade. So find best movie for every decade. How we can do it? I think for this we have to select the year, then name. Okay, so year should be here and name should be find best movie of every decade. So best movie, how we can select the best movie? Top rated movie is part of best movie. So count. Okay, so this is here, this is here. Okay, best movie of every decade. So for this what we have to do, we have to sort the inner means rating level in the largest to smallest. So what we have to do, we have to sort the rating in the largest to smallest. So sort largest to smallest or sort more option than one thing I can do, what top, there is in top option also. Okay, yes, top 10 nahi, I want top 1 movie. So top 1. Okay, so these are the movies. What is happening now? Just 1 second please. So top 1 movies are there. Which are top 1? This filter will top 1. Okay, so what is happening here? So how can I choose it? IMDb. So this is what I have to sort, but I don't know why it is not. Okay, so I guess count of name is should be here and the rating should be here. So count of name should be here and rating should be here. So now you can see, yeah, now you can see, uh, if I sort it, I think if I do some filter, do filter top one movie, then you can see, so top movie of every year. So this is showing top movie of every year here. So top movie of every year you can see. The question was top movies of every decades, but I think it's more convenient to see the top movie of every year. So I think question number 8 is done now. Okay, so in this way we have come to our last question, in which we have to select all the movie rating cells which are having ratings more than average rating of all the movies. So for that we have to go conditional formatting, but before that we have to select the rating column, then go to conditional formatting, then I think top bottom rule, then above average, then above average click, then light red with fill with dark red text. Okay, so this is the color formatting which we can do here. So I will click this only and will click on OK. As you can see, the movies which are having ratings above average are selected with red, are formatted with red color. So I think we have done this question also. So now I will wrap up here and will say thank you for watching till the last. I hope I was able to do the analysis part, and I know this is not something by which seeing someone can learn anything, but yeah, but this is the thing which I used to learn, and I am doing this in front of you. So if there is some error or any better method to do the analysis part or anything, you can just type in the comment section, and I will try to learn all those things. So thank you everyone. Let's meet in the next video.